How to fix Meta AI not showing in WhatsApp. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is simply update your WhatsApp. The best fix to it is to updating your WhatsApp. Simply look for the App Store for iOS and Play Store for the Android. And in the search address bar, all you have to do is type down the WhatsApp and you will get to see the list of options available. Make sure to tap on the WhatsApp Messenger from there. Then, once all of these are done, and once you tap on it, you will get to see update option available there. Update it to the latest version. Also, Meta AI is rolling out in selected countries only. Make sure that you check the reason availability. There are many countries where Meta AI is not available. If your country has the Meta AI reason availability, but still it is not saying on your WhatsApp, then updating is the most easiest thing you can do. And that is it. After update, you can see Meta AI on your WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.